Some people earn money online. Are you wondering how to make it? I know that many of you out there who wants to make money online but don't want to invest money, and you want to do it for completely free. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this tutorial and make a move to earn hundreds of dollars. This is a worldwide available strategy. No annoying ads, and most of all, it's absolutely free. I believe you've come to the right place because you're looking for strategies to make money online. With this new method, you're in the right place. Simply by listening to recordings online, we will be able to earn a substantial sum of money through PayPal. So, presuming you're still skeptical, you must stay with me so we can work through it together. You can place a down payment on something you've wanted for a long time, whether it's a computer, a new phone, or anything else. Now, with that desire, you must pay close attention to this brief video so that I may teach you how to earn money and bring you to the lifestyles you desire. This approach is accessible to everybody, anywhere in the globe. You don't require specific expertise, and you don't need any prior experience. This strategy may not make you a millionaire, but if you're a beginner, it's most likely the right one for you. This strategy also works well if you're just looking for a way to make some money on the side. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step because I want to ensure you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy I show you. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Let's go right into the video now without further ado. To begin with, go to your browser and type rapidworkers.com into the address bar. RapidWorker is a crowdsourced company that employs over 100,000 people. They enable individuals, small groups, and professionals to produce low-value exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns to enhance sales and improve their ranking backlinks. According to the website, you've decided to work on this website as a worker. Look through the micro jobs available. Pick an activity that you enjoy and one assignment to prove. Following that, you earn money by using this website. You can cash out using PayPal Cash, or you can use one of the other techniques listed here. Now, I'll teach you how to join up for a free account to explore around and learn more. We should now return to the video. To do so, click this button, which should take you to this website. I was hoping you could fill in all of the required information, so type in your name, email address, password, and country. This list of countries demonstrates that they are willing to accept candidates from all over the world. This merely proves that you can use this strategy from anywhere on the planet. After that, you must affirm or confirm that you're not a robot, and you are essentially finished setting up your account. Keep in mind the ideas they've established for you and make it a point to follow them. As a result, you have more energy to deal with this website. In any case, they're quite straightforward. First, you're not permitted to use a virtual private network, or VPN, or any other type of IP masking software. Second, you're not allowed to create multiple accounts with the same IP address or to use shared or public Wi-Fi. Third, you're also not allowed to run errands using the same IP that you use to other records. And lastly, you're not allowed to handle obligations that are related to a country that you don't live in. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Remember that breaking any of these rules could result in you being banned. As a result, don't waste your time seeking to deceive the framework. Again, I strongly advise you to follow these guidelines in order to avoid squandering this opportunity. You know, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, once you've created your account, they'll ask you to confirm your email address. So go through your email inbox and click on the link in the email they sent you. You can now look up your information and sign in. As you can see, Your dashboard currently looks like this. On top of that, you can keep track of a variety of things, including your all-out stores, absolute withdrawals, and a variety of other things. Here are a few things that I may have overlooked in the past. You can truly get paid $1 to $5 just for signing up, and earning potential on this site is just incredible. You can also do this on a regular basis. As you can see, there are no restrictions at all. When you look over the page, you'll notice that there are a variety of tasks that you can take on. Each of them has its own installment. They're quite simple to use. You can see the amount you can get for each task as well as the amount of time it will take you to complete. Every one of them just takes a few minutes to complete. In fact, the majority of them only takes 3 minutes to complete or less than 10 minutes. You can also view the various countries where these assignments are available in a decent amount of time as an afterthought. However, keep an eye out for errands that aren't labeled global or titled after the country from which you started. Keep in mind that taking positions that are not implied for your own country is against the ideals. Keep a watch out for the international ones, especially if you recall that I previously stated that our location would be handling tasks involving only compassionate recordings. To do so, use the search box here to browse for YouTube and then click this button. After that, sort the positions according to how much money you could gain by completing them. By clicking on that, we will be able to see the most profitable assignments first. Now, let's check whether there are projects that will pay you this much money in exchange for a short period of time. This means that you can complete a variety of tasks in just 1 hour. You can say that this is extraordinary. Now, as an illustration, let's look into this task. It will cost us this much money to accomplish it in this amount of time. As a result, we should tap on that, which will take us to this page. As you can see, we'll actually want to see all of the data here. We should be able to complete this task. All you have to do now is follow each and every one of the instructions to complete the task. You'll be rewarded after you finished. You've witnessed it for yourself, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.